Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your mathematics class. In this class, you will learn about the chapter Simple Equations. And today I will discuss how to solve an equations by using systematic method. Here we will follow some rules to solve an equations. So let's see what are the rules. First, we will use the distributive property to separate terms if necessary. So, if any equations are given like suppose 2 multiplied by 2x plus 4 equals to 5, that time we first use the distributive property to separate the terms. So, what is the distributive property? We know that a multiplied by b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. So, here we consider 2 as a and 2x as b and c as 4. Then it becomes 2 multiplied by 2x plus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 5. So, we know this coming here 4x plus 8 equals to 5. After that, we will proceed to solve the equations. Next, we see if fractions are present, then multiplying both sides by the LCM of the denominator of the fractions. So, if in an equations fractions are present, so first we find the LCM of the denominator of the fractions which is present, and we will then multiply both sides by the LCM to remove the fractions from the given equation. So here multiplying both sides by LCM of 4, 6, 2. So here LCM is coming 12 after calculations. So now we will multiply both sides by the LCM. So here LCM is coming 12. So we multiply here 12 in the given equation multiplied by 3 by 4x plus 12. Then 5 by 6 equal to 12 multiplied by 1 by 2. Now here 12 is cancelling. 4 3s are. It is also cancelling 2s are. And it is also cancelling by 6 are. So this becomes 3 3s are 9x plus 10 is equals to 6. Now if you compare with this equations with the after multiplying with the LCM, you can see that this is much simpler than as compared to the given equation. So always we try to remove the fraction part if it is present in the given equation, so that we can easily solve the equation. Now let's see the third step. If decimals are present, then multiplying both sides by a power of 10 to remove the decimals from the equation. So here given equation is 1.2x plus 3.6 is equal to 2.4x plus 6. So here one place of decimal is present in every term. So multiplying both sides by 10, we get 10 multiplied by 1.2x plus 10 multiplied by 3.6 equals to 10 multiplied by 2.4x plus 6. Now this becomes, we write it as 10 multiplied by 12 by 10 x. So this 10 will cancel out, plus 10 multiplied by 36 by 10. This 10 will cancel out. Again 10 multiplied by 24 by 10 x. Again this will cancel out, plus 6. So we get the equation as 12x plus 36 is equals to 24 plus 6. So now we can easily solve the equation. After that, the fourth step, combine the like terms on each side of the equation. If there is more than one, if there are like terms present, then we combine them. For example, 5x plus 2 minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 equals to 10. So here 5x plus 2, then we multiply this 3 with the this binomial, that is minus 3x, then minus 6 equals to 10. Then we combine the like terms. So here 5x and 3x are like terms. So we write here 5x minus 3x in one bracket. Then after that 2 minus 6 we will write in separate. So it is coming 2x. So minus 4 equals to 10. So we just combine the like terms. After that we proceed to solve the equation. Now let's see the next step. Here we add or subtract same numbers or variables on both sides of the equation to get all variable terms on one side and all constant terms on the other side of the equation. That means if we add same numbers or if we add same number on both side or same variable on both side of the equation remains same, it does not change. On the other hand, if we subtract same numbers or variables on both sides of the equation remains same, it does not change. Let's see one example. Here the given equation is 5x minus 3 is equal to 4x plus 8. Here in the left hand side, variable and constant term both are present. Similarly, in the right hand side, variable and constant both are present. So first we will remove the transfer the constant term from left hand side to right hand side, so that on the left hand side only variable term will be there. Similarly, on the right hand side, variable is present, that we will transfer from right hand side to the left hand side. So for that, here minus 3 is present. So if we add plus 3 on both sides, then minus 3 plus 3 will cancel out. So for that, we can easily get the variables in the left hand side. So adding plus 3 on both sides means adding 3 on both sides. Adding 3 on both sides, we get both sides of the equation. We get 5x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 8 plus 3. We are adding 3 on both sides of the equation. So this 3 will cancel out. This becomes 5x is equals to 4x plus 11. Now see, after that again the variable terms is present in the right hand side. In the left hand side only the variable terms is present. But here constant and variable both are present. So we have to remove the variable terms from right hand side to the, we have to just transfer this variable terms from right hand side to the left hand side. So for that we subtract 4x from both sides, because here plus 4x is present. So subtracting 4x from both sides, we get 5x minus 4x is equals to 4x plus 11 minus 4x. So here 4x will cancel out. We are getting here x is equals to 11. So from this equations we can easily get the value of the variable. So x equal to 11 is the solution of the given equation. Now let's see the another step. We can multiply or divide by same non-zero number or variable on both sides of the equation to get the variable by itself on one side of the equation. So see that means if we multiply any number or variable on both sides of the equation, then the equation remains same, it does not change. Similarly, if we divide the same non-zero number or variable on both sides of the equation, the equations remain same, it does not change. Let's see one example. Here x by 2 is equals to 30. So here x is multiplied by half. So we have to remove this half from the variable x. So for that, if we multiply 2 on both sides, then this will cancel out. So multiplying 2 on both sides, multiplying 2 on both sides, we get 2 multiplied by x by 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by 30. So it is coming, this implies x is equals to 60. So we can easily get the solution of the equation. Let us take another example. 4x is equals to 20. So here x is multiplied by 4. So if we divide 4 on both sides, then we can easily get the variable. So dividing 4 on both sides of the equation, dividing by 4 on both sides of the equation, we get 4x by 4 is equal to 20 by 4. So this implies x is equals to 5. So we are getting the solution as 5. So in this way we can easily apply this rule to find the solution of the equation. After getting the solution, we check the solution by substituting the value of the variable in the original equations. So whatever value of the variable we are getting, that value we will put in the left hand side and right hand side separately, and we will check that both the sides are coming same or not. If both sides are coming same, that means the solution is correct. Otherwise we have to again check whether somewhere any mistakes or not. Let's see one example. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Here the given equation is 3x minus 13 is equals to 12, where the variable is x. So here we have to solve the equation, means we have to find the value of the variable which satisfies the equation. So for that, here the constant term is present in the left hand side. We have to shift the constant term from left hand side to the right hand side so that we can easily separate the variable and constant term. So for that we have to add 13 to both sides. So adding 13 to both sides, adding 13 to both sides of the equation, we get 3x minus 13 plus 13 is equals to 12 plus 13. Here 13 will cancel out because they are opposite sign. So this sum will give 0. So therefore 3x is equals to 12 plus 13 means 25. So this we are getting. Now after that, here again the variable is multiplied with the constant 3. So here constant is present in this term. So we have to remove the constant from this term, that is 3x. For that we will, here 3 is multiplied with the variable. So if we divide both sides by 3, then we can easily separate the variable. So dividing both sides, dividing both sides by 3, we get 3x divided by 3 is equals to 25 divided by 3. Here 3 will cancel out, so or x is equals to 25 by 3. So here variable is separated. So also the value of the variable is coming here 25 by 3, which is the solution of the equation. Which is the solution of the given equation. Now let us check. Here it is not mentioned that check the solution, but better you check the solution. So to check the result, we will put the value of the variable x on both sides of the given equation. So putting, here we will write putting, or we can write substituting x is equals to 25 by 3 in the left hand side and right hand side of the given equation, we get. So putting x equal to 25 by 3 in the left hand side and right hand side of the given equation, here left hand side is 3x minus 13. So left hand side becomes, left hand side is equals to, in place of x we will write 25 by 3 minus 13. So here 3 will cancel out. So 25 minus 13 means 12, which is equal to right hand side, that is also 12. So here right hand side no variable is present. So we directly compare with the right hand side. Since left hand side is equals to right hand side, so x equals to 25 by 3 is the correct solution of the given equation. Now let us solve another equation. 5 multiplied by 2x minus 3 equals to 5, and check the result. Here the given equation is 5 is multiplied with 2x minus 3 equals to 5. So first we will multiply this by using distributive law. So here 5, we know that by distributive property that a is multiplied by b plus c is equals to a multiplied by b plus a into c. So this we will apply here. So this becomes 5 multiplied by 2x minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 3 is equals to 5. So this becomes 10x minus 15 minus 3 is equals to 5, or 10x minus 18 is equals to 5 is coming. Now we have to remove this constant term from this left hand side. So we will add 18 on both sides. So adding 18 on both sides, we get 10x minus 18 plus 18 is equals to 5 plus 18. So 18 will cancel out. So or 10x is equals to 5 plus 18 means it is coming 23. Now dividing both sides by 10, dividing both sides by 10, we get 10x divided by 10 is equals to 23 by 10. So this 2 will cancel out. This implies x is equals to 23 by 10. So which is the solution of the given equation? Now for this question it is given mentioned that check the result. So we have to check. So to check the result, we put x equal to 23 by 10 in the left hand side and right hand side of the given equation. So we put x is equals to 23 by 10 in the, your right hand side is constant, in the left hand side of the given equation. So we have here 5 is multiplied with, in bracket we will write 2 multiplied by 23 by 10, then minus 3, after that minus 3. So here 2 will cancel out by 5. So this becomes 5, after that 23 minus 15 by 5 will come. This 5 will cancel out, and one more 3 is already there. So 23 minus 15 will we will get here 8. So 8 minus 3 is coming here 5, which is equal to the right hand side. So after putting the value of x equals to 23 by 10 in the left hand side of the given equations, we get the left hand side equal to 5, which is equal to right hand side, which shows that x equals to 23 by 10 is the correct solution of the given equation. Now let's solve the another equation. X by 4 plus 12 is equal to x by 2 plus 3 by 4 and check the result. Here the given equation is x by 4 plus 12 is equal to x by 2 plus 3 by 4. So here fraction is present in both the sides. So to remove the fraction, that means to remove the denominator numbers, we first find the LCM of the denominators 4, 2 and 4. So here LCM is coming 4. After that we will multiply both sides by 4. So we get 4 multiplied by x by 4 plus 12 multiplied by 4, then x by 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 by 4 multiplied by 4. Here 4 will cancel out. Here 2 will cancel out by 2 2s are 4 and this 2 will cancel out. So this implies we are getting x plus 48 is equal to 2x plus 3. Now subtracting 48 from both sides, because here constant is present, so x plus 48 minus 48 is equal to 2x plus 3 minus 48. This 2 will cancel out. This implies x is equal to 2x, then minus 3 minus 48 means it will come minus 45. Again subtracting 2x from both sides, we get x minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 45 minus 2x. So this 2x will cancel out. So this implies minus x is equals to minus 45. Now multiplying both sides by minus 1 we get, or minus minus we can also directly cancel. So this implies x is equals to 45. So x equal to 45 is the solution of the given equation. Now we will check that this solution is correct or not. Now let us check the result for x equals to 45, which is the solution of the given equation. So we put x equal to 45 in the left hand side and right hand side of the given equation. So here we get left hand side is equal to, in place of x by 4, in place of x we put 45. So it becomes 45 by 4 plus 12. Now here 45 plus here LCM, here denominators will come 4. So here 4 are, here denominator is 4, because here nothing is there means 1. So LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. And if we divide 4 by 4 we get 1. So multiplied by 1 with 45 we get 45. And if we divide 1 by 4 we get 4 as the question. So we multiply 12 by 4. So it becomes 45 plus 48 divided by 4. That means 45 plus 48 means 88 plus 5. That means it will come 93 by 4. Similarly in the right hand side also we will put the value. Right hand side becomes 45 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Now here LCM of 2 and 4 will come 4. So we divide this by 4. So here we write 4 in the denominator. If we divide 2 by 4 we get 2 as the question. So 45 multiplied by 2 plus, if we divide 4 with the denominator 4, we get 1 as the question. So 3 multiplied by 1. So this becomes 90 plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 93 by 4. We can see that both the results are coming same, since left hand side is equals to right hand side, as both the sides are coming same results when we are putting the value of x equal to 45 in the given equation. So we can say that x equal to 45 is the correct solution of the given equation. So x equal to 45 is the correct solution. So in this way we can do many questions related with this method. This method is called systematic method or elimination method also. That means by adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing the same numbers on both sides of the given equation, so that we can easily separate the variable and the constant from the given equation, so that we can get the solution of the equation. So in this way you can try the questions which is given in your book. In your book very simple questions are given. So I hope you will understand this all whatever shown here. So you will try the questions which is given in your book. Thank you and have a nice day.